On to a CAT 2017 slot 2 question. Alright, start the timer. If A, B, C are three positive integers such that A and B are in the ratio 3:4, while B and C are in the ratio 2:1, I can merge the ratios, B is common, then which one of the following is a possible value of A plus B plus C? I need to look for the multiple, right? This is a standard type of question. So A, B and C, 3:4 over here, 2:1 over here. How do I merge this? I just multiply this with 2 and I get 4:2 over here. So 3:4:2, A plus B plus C. If these are 3A, 4A and 2A, then A plus B plus C over here is 9A. It has to be a 9 multiple. Sum of digits 207. 2 plus 7 is 9. Option 3 over here is the answer. Once again, these are the questions which are like seemingly difficult. If you just look at it and glance and you immediately want to jump, do not do that. Ratios, you have to look to attempt that. Possible value, do not be scared by that, right? So what's the concept over here? A and B are the ratio 3:4, B and C over here 2:1. They want you to merge it first. How do you merge that? The link over here is B, right? I want it to be the same number of parts. 4 into the LCM is 4. How do I bring this to 4? I need to multiply this entire ratio with 2. So it becomes 4:2. So the merged ratio is 3:4:2. We've covered these in the lessons at Mockat.com, right? So if the ratio is going to be 3:4:2 for A, B, and C, actual values can be 3A, 4A, 2A. So sum of these three would be 9A. And we know that A over here has to be an integer because all of them are positive integers. So if A has to be an integer, that means 9A over here is a multiple of 9. Amongst the options over here, there's only one with a multiple of 9. How do you test for that? Divisibility lesson. Sum of digits, right? Has to be a multiple of 9. That's the case only with 207. So option 3 over here is the answer.